All right, this is number 8 of Friday night's homework. 2/3 the product of 3/8 and 16. So they want, us to write an expression to match and then evaluate. And we know that evaluate means to solve. So write an expression to match. So 2/3 the product of 3/8 and 16. Well, I know when they say 2/3 of, that's going to be the same thing as 2/3 times. But it's not just 2/3 times 3/8, it's the product of 3/8. So I know that it's going to be the answer to something because they're using our vocabulary of an answer to a multiplication problem. So it would be 3/8 times 16. So we definitely need to figure out what this in the parentheses, the answer of the parentheses is before we can solve our entire equation. So let's do 3 times 16 over 8. Okay, remember we just set it up and we'll do a fancy pants style. 8 goes into 16 2 times. 8 goes into 8 1 time. Oopsies, 1 time. 3 times 2 is 6 over 1. So, and that equals 6. So now I'm going to do 2/3 times 6, which is the same thing as doing 2/3 of 6. So I'll set it up. 2 times 6 divided by 3. If we want to do it, do the multiplication first, we could do that. 2 times 6 is 12 divided by 3 would equal 4. Does it work for fancy pants style? 3 goes into 6 2 times. 3 goes into 3 1 time. 2 times 2 is 4 over 1 is 4. Awesome. Okay, last one on the homework is to use less than, greater than, or equal to make the number sentence true without calculating. So we've got 2/3 the product or the sum of 9 and 12 compared to 15 times 2/3 or 2/3 of 15. So how are we going to be able to do this without calculating? Well, without calculating, I can look at, all right, 9 plus 12. That's going to equal 21. And we're going to multiply that by 2/3. So 2/3 of 21, is it going to be bigger, less than, or equal to 2/3 of 15? Well, 21 is a bigger number. So 2/3 of 21 is going to be bigger than 2/3 of 15. Whoa-bam.